It's so hot. Hot. Okay, let's go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ishwarya and I hope all of you guys are doing safe, all of you guys are home. Also, I know you guys like asking which lipstick have I applied. So today I've applied the L'Oreal Rouge Signature in the shade I Amaze. Yeah, I Amaze. That's a beautiful orangey brown lipstick. Really warm, really beautiful. I love such colors. But yeah, that's the lipstick I've applied. Anyway, let's get on to today's video. Today's video is going to be all about my favorite food things that I've been loving right now. Also, if you're looking for any healthy options, this is not the video. This video is not going to have any healthy options. It's all going to be junk and just the snacks I've been loving to eat at this time, the midnight snacks and all of that. So it's going to be all of my favorite snacks, foods, condiments, just yummy stuff. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. And okay, so let's start with the one thing that is the most obvious right now because it's the season of mangoes. Alfonso mangoes, Hapus, you're my love. Like, I just love, this is not that pakawa right now, but mangoes, I've been eating mangoes like day and night, making mango shakes, mixing mango with cream, just having mango essay. Also, I like thanda mangoes. Like, I like mangoes like I like mangoes like cut and then kept in the fridge and then I eat the mangoes. I don't like having mangoes at room temperature. I don't know. Tell me if you guys like that too. But yeah, like mango is something that I've been loving and it just comes like for such a small time once a year. So you have to like just devour it and just praise it and just love a good mango. First thing is a good Alfonso mango. Also, my brother doesn't eat mangoes, so yay for me. I know it's so weird, but he doesn't like mangoes. But yeah, love a good mango. The next thing is a coffee brand, and I have just recently made a switch. So I used to always have Nescafe Sunrise because I love how toasty and very strong it is. I love a good strong black coffee. But because Nescafe Sunrise was not available anywhere, in March we tried the brand Levista. That is how the tin looks. It comes also in a packet, but we bought the tin version. My hair is doing all crazy things. So we bought the tin version and oh my god, is it so good. Like, it is so toasty, it's so strong, it's so toasty. Like, do you understand? It's such a toasty smell, toasty flavor. Like, never go back to Nescafe Sunrise or whatever. This is amazing. They have a lot of variants like the premium strong. We're trying the strong one now, but dude, this coffee is everything. I can never go back. I love it. I have a lot of coffee. I love coffee and this has been my favorite, which is the Levista Premium Coffee. Love this. So paper boat juices have been a staple at my house, especially right now. Paper Boat in general is such a good company and the way, like, I love the advertisements. I love how nostalgic it makes me feel, especially the lady who speaks in advertisements. I'm sure you guys must also feel that, very nostalgic feeling. But coming to what I like is the mango juice, the anar juice, the lychee juice, which is over, and the thandai. My parents love this. Like, my parents literally gulp this every day. This is thandai, the badam dry fruit milk version, and this is the mango juice. Love it so much. It's so thick, it's so pulpy, it's so fresh. It does not have that really synthetically preservative sort of a taste. It's so good, very good. And this is the anar juice, pomegranate juice. Not that sweet, not overly sweet. The one thing about paper boat stuff is it's not overly sweet. It's very medium. It's very nice. You can have it. And yeah, it's not good for your health. Obviously, packaged juices are not good for your health. But right now it's so hot and just a glass of this makes me feel so calm. So every day morning I have a glass of this with my breakfast and I'm just good to go. I'm gonna stop it. It's not good, but I just wanted to share the fun stuff that I'm having with you guys. We need all sort of positivity and food is comfort. So I'm loving these juices right now. Paper Boat, you rock. Okay, so the next thing is bhujia. Now it's been a long time I've stopped having bhujia, but because of this lockdown and all of that, I've again started having bhujia and I just remembered how much I love it. So there are different variants in bhujia, okay? The red packet one, the orange packet one, the lemon one. The lemon one is also so good. This is the orange packet one, which is the most spicy one. I love it so much. It's so spicy, so tasty. Bhujia is a staple now in our houses. I love it so much. My whole family loves it, and I've been snacking on this more than I should. So yeah, I just thought I'd mention it. Bhujia. Okay, so the next thing is a little hot topic. Now, there's always been a thing between is Maggi more tasty, is top ramen more tasty, or whatever. There are some Maggi people, there are some top ramen people, and I am a top ramen girl. Don't come for me. I love top ramen so much. I do not like Maggi at all. Don't come for me. But I love top ramen so much, and this is the new version, the most spicy version. Yeah, the fiery chili version, and it is so good. I love top ramen. I love the curry version. I love this version. I just love top ramen so much. It's so much of flavor. It's not very like essay. It's very tasty, man. It's so flavorful, and all the three versions are so different from each other. The normal top ramen version, the one that comes in the red packet, that is my absolute favorite, but that's not available right now. But yeah, I'm a top ramen girl, and I've been loving this for a nice midnight snack. And the way I make it is very different, okay? I don't just normally make it like putting water and all. I roast the masala and all of that. I can make a video on that, but yeah, I always loved top ramen a lot. So yeah, top ramen. Next snack that I've been loving a lot is these potato chips from Cheddar, but I just don't eat them essay. I eat them with Szechuan chutney. So good. I take them in a bowl, a little bit of Szechuan chutney, not a little bit, actually a lot. I just dip them and I eat them, and they're just so good. So guys, don't come for me, okay? Like, this is not a healthy thing. It's just I'm sharing stuff that I like eating when I want to binge. So don't come for me, and it's not a good habit, but right now. So yeah, I've been loving them. They're so airy, they're so fluffy, they're so flavorful. And this with Szechuan chutney, which is over right now, and I would have shown the Ching's Szechuan chutney is just prime. But yeah, this and Szechuan chutney is amazing. One of my favorite snacks. Okay, so the next thing is something that you guys must have seen in these small shops or in a lot of places. These are the Gone Mad sticks. They have different flavors: chocolate, dark chocolate, badam, and all of that. So me and my brother love the chocolate and the dark chocolate one. The dark chocolate one is very bitter, not sweet, and the chocolate one is your generic nice milk chocolate one. This is the dark chocolate one, and these are the badam ones, which my parents love. Like, my dad eats more than he should, but yeah, these are the badam ones. So we've been loving this as a family. Yeah, like they come in a big packet, and those big packets have these small packets in them. So yeah, this is the badam one, and this is the dark chocolate one. Good stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about sauces, and the Weeba Caesar dressing sauce is so good. Actually, I love a lot of Weeba sauces. The stir fry sauce, the sweet onion one, the chipotle sauce, all of them are so good. This is the new one that I just tried, which is the Caesar dressing sauce. So good, so cheesy. So how I use this is, whenever I feel like having something light, I just make a salad. Like, I chop up things and I make a salad, or I like lightly stir fry them, and I just put this dressing all over and I just toss them, and it's so good. Like, sauces like this are cooking so easy and tasty. The next one is a spicy pasta sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's habanero or habanero. I don't know. That's how it is. Habanero. It's a spicy pasta sauce, and this tastes, my mouth is watering. This tastes so good. So the times where I don't want to make the whole sauce myself, I'm feeling very lazy and I do not have time, or my mom doesn't have time, this is what we use. You can find this on Amazon pantry, and it'll literally come to your house in like 2 or 3 days. We have a lot of bottles of this. This is like tomato, basil, garlic, chili flakes, all of that mixed together. It has a very sweety, spicy taste. Very good, amazing for spaghetti, amazing for red sauce pasta. Just amazing. A very good wholesome sauce. Does not have that synthetic artificial taste. Very wholesome, like soul food. Yeah, amazing. This is the spicy pasta sauce. So the last thing goes hand in hand with the pasta sauce, which is spaghetti. I love spaghetti. I also made a video recently on it. If you guys have not seen, go see it. I'm gonna link it. It's a cooking thing with me. I love pasta, I love spaghetti, I love Italian, and right now I've been eating a lot of spaghetti, which is again not good, but yeah, I've been loving spaghetti and I wanted to show it to you guys. Spaghetti is something that I can eat all day, every day, always, like literally always. So those are some of the snacks and food items and condiments that I've been loving, absolutely loving right now. I just wanted to share those with you guys because if you're looking to make something, or if you're looking to buy something, if you're looking for any snack recommendation, this would help you guys out. It's just a chill video, me talking about things I'm liking to eat right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, and I'm gonna catch you really quick with my new video. Also don't forget to follow me on my socials. You know the drill. My Instagram is at Aishwarya Bala, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.